Hey guys, my name is Suki. This is Suki, that's Sam, that's my family. And we are on our way to the Great Wolf Lodge. They say the most exciting things happens when the camera's not rolling. It was a car wreck. We are currently in Kroger's parking lot. I'm not showing them, calm down. Suki's going inside. We're here to get drinks, maybe some food, snacks, things like that. Ready to go inside?
I'm not going in.
Oh, you're not going in?
Why would I?
I don't know.
I mean, there's nothing to do inside for me.
Family time?
With
Some
your
will be a
family.
part of the family.
I'm not related to you.
Neither is Suki.
Yeah, but she's about to share your last name.
That's true. We made it here to Great Wolf Lodge.
I never know, you know.
All of our lights are off, but we have a balcony.
I'm not sure if I have.
Because when I found this fuel issue with the 16 string, like, gosh,
Ignore Mom, she's doing
6
work.
months or more.
Because she has to work on vacation.
That's when we got that Groupon
Yes.
thing, whatever.
Alright, Sam? It's very dark in here.
Mikey and
But we're going to go swimming. For right now, I'm not taking any cameras down there. I honestly don't know if we can or can't. Look, Suki's wearing a skirt.
They noticed that in
Yeah, mainly titties. Yeah.
So we will see you after one swim. So Suki and I came back to the room to get this
And this.
and that, yeah. I was just like completely canted right there, sorry. But came back to my waterproof camera. Dad wants his, but from his two bags, I can't find it. I don't know. But real quick, let's step outside. So that's the outdoor pool. We cannot go to it. It is closed currently. Get ready for a little rumble. Okay. So that's the outdoor pool. On that water slide, probably wind there, sorry. That water slide, Suki and I almost flipped. I swear, we almost flipped. That is of course the water park right there, where the rest of the family is. It's pretty cool. And then over there, that is Kings Island. I think that's Flight of Fear. I'm not sure though. What do you think those buildings in the distance are? If you know, post in the comments below.
Those are greenhouses, you idiot.
Why would there be a greenhouse here? Whatever, we're going swimming. Hey guys, Suki and I are here. I have no idea if you guys can hear me, probably not. If not, there'll be subtitles. But Suki and I are here, and there's Sam.
I was gonna say we're at the hot spring.
So yeah, we're just relaxing in the hot tub, and Sam fell asleep. So let's go wake him up. Sam. How was the nap?
I wasn't asleep.
You weren't asleep.
What were you doing then?
Okay, hi guys.
People with my last name sounding similar to my last name can't just get along. Make us all look bad.
Sam, what'd you think of the pool? Like, legit. Did you like it?
It's alright. Too much kid stuff.
Yeah. If you ever go to Great Wolf Lodge, expect a lot of kid stuff. But we're here on a Thursday and school's not out yet, so it's like 0 lines. The worst part about going on rides right now is having to walk up all the stairs because you don't have to wait at all. It's actually really nice. Tomorrow's probably going to be pretty bad though, because it's Friday. But Sam says it'll probably be bad in the afternoon. Tsuki has ears. Tsuki, show off your ears. Oh, it's so cool.
Thank you.
Sam, what's that? That.
Zucchini?
We got ketchup. Good. Okay.
We got ketchup. Anything else we might need at the moment?
Salt and there's salt too.
Salt right here.
All that together for you.
All right. Okay. Thank you.
This is a grinder.
Yeah.
Can Mom get salt?
It's a grinder.
I think it's a
I'm glad you
grinder.
like to drink, but I would eat this
It's a
too.
No,
grinder.
that's how you fill it.
Oh.
Oh, this is
Oh.
entertaining.
I
Wow.
don't know. See if you can figure out how to get salt out of there.
You dump it this.
Can we get salt?
It has holes.
I did that. Nothing comes out.
A little bit.
Okay, nothing much comes out. Does that one work?
Can you pass me the one that doesn't work then?
Yeah,
I need
one
salt.
works.
Okay. Food time. It actually looks really stinking good. The moon is out tonight. Let's see if we can get... Oh, there we go.
No, Mike is out there.
And that was the moon, and that's a bird. So, thus ends day 1. Suki's taking a shower right now. Still don't know what we're doing for things tonight. But Dad's about to walk out here. Oh, nope, never mind. But yeah, tomorrow is another day. Not really sure what all we're going to record or whatever. It's basically going to be the same stuff that happened today, except for the drive home. So yeah, and then I have to take Will to the airport. So yeah, fun stuff happening. It's a nice view, despite it just being like a place where cars drive. It actually does look pretty out here. It's been a nice day. Good night, moon.